Hello beautiful people. So in this video I would like to show you how I made or how I created this task progress tracker. Okay, so let me show you one by one. First, I created the header, which is the serial number, the item, the product, category, quantity, unit price, the check, the order status, and start. The next thing I did was to insert checkboxes. How did I do that? I highlighted the number of cells that I want the checkboxes to be. Your own might be longer than this one. Just make sure you highlight the number of cells that you want to insert checkboxes into. Then you go to insert, you will see check box. Click on it and checkboxes will automatically appear inside the cells you have selected. So the next thing I did after inserting the checkboxes is to come to this serial number and enter a formula in the first cell, then drag it down. The formula is equals quotation mark NO dot, which stands for this number you are seeing here. Okay, then there's a space, another quotation mark, the and sign, then if open bracket G4. How do you identify your G4? If for my own it is G4, your own, if you follow what I did exactly, your own should be G4 too. But if you did not follow it exactly, let me show you the cell that I meant. This cell that is containing order status, that's my G4. This particular one, that's my G4. Then equals to quotation mark twice, comma, quotation mark twice, comma, counter the dollar sign G4 dollars, the dollar sign G dollar sign 4 to G4. Please take note of the formula. Take note of the formula. Then you hit enter. So when you hit enter, you can now drag down. Then the next thing I did was to enter, for instance, if I delete everything here now, you see there is nothing here. So when I enter completed, then number 1, if I enter ordered, if I enter returned, whatever it is. So let's say for this item now, I am saying detergent, the order status is completed, so I will check it. If I say cassava stem, if the order has been made, I'll click on this checkbox here. Okay, you notice that this start here is changing. So now let me uncheck this one. Can you see? So this is where you enter the order information or whatever it is you want here. It might not be, your own might not be order, your own might be something else. So under category, you can put the category this item belong to. That's what you will put under category, the quantity you are getting and the unit price of it. Okay, so that's what these cells are meant for. So when you are now done with the formula and you enter something into the order status here to test run it, you will now come to a little bit downward, put here completed, the second one missing. Now under completed, you need formula. We want to calculate the number of tasks that has been completed and the one that is yet to be completed. That's the meaning. So the formula should be equals count if F4 to F3. Now let's see what is in F4. F4 is our check boxes area. F4 to F23 is our check boxes area. Let me click on it. Can you see? Comma, true. Then you close the bracket. Then you close the bracket. You put divided by counter, count plus a, counter. So the next opened bracket will now contain this one that has the other status, then you hit your enter. So it will calculate based on whatever it is you have that you have clicked on here. Now, how do you calculate the missing one? You say equals to 1 minus G5 and G25. 1 minus the one that is completed equals to 1 minus the cell that is containing the completed task. Then you hit enter. So in case this is not showing as percentage, when you enter it, you will have to go to where to change it to percentage. Here, can you see? You go to where to change it to, under this general number, frequency, blah blah blah, you just change it to percentage. Okay, so it was when I completed that one, I now highlighted the completed, missing, and the figures, the percentage. I highlighted it, and then I went to insert to pick donor, So it was this donut I picked the donut. Can you see? I picked it again. Then I removed this chart title because I do not want it. If you want it, you can rename it as something else. So I resized it, and that is why I have it here. Can you see? I resized it, and that is why I have it here. Okay, so, and here, in case I have a note, if I am using this for a report, I want to give a note to whosoever will be seeing it. So the note is meant to be typed into this place. So you can put, this one does not have formula, just put the note. How do you put the note? Go to insert and select text box. Then you drag the text box appropriately. So it was when I was done with all of that I highlighted from here down to the last point, and then I clicked on home to go to borders, and then I gave it a tick outside borders, When I finished that, I highlighted from number 1, which is from row 4. I highlighted this one like this, and then I gave it all borders. I gave that one all borders, and then I highlighted the header and gave it my preferred color and made it bold. Then I merged this one, typed into it. How do you merge? You highlight whatever it is you want to merge. Let's say I want to merge this place now. So you go to merge and you click on merge and center, and it will give you something like this. So you can type whatever I want to type inside. You increase the font size, you make it bold, and give it color. So I'll be expecting your own tax. Take this as a project from me. I'll be expecting your own. The only thing you might not easily catch is the formula, and I'm going to drop the formula for you so you can easily catch that. Thank you, and God bless you.